My belief in myself has to be so strong that nothing else can waver me. My vision of what I want to create has to be so strong that I would start to see, I would start to attract all the things that is going to come into my life. But first, I have to have my conversation that's going in within my own conscious. It has to be empowering enough that I can push my own self to do it. So that's diminishing the negative side of you, the bad guy of yourself, the weak self of yourself, and allowing your beast self to come to surface. Being conscious is when you step outside yourself and look into yourself. When you ask yourself, what am I doing? I do that all the time, sometimes to the detriment of my own well-being. Sometimes I can't even let myself be. I'm like, yo, you don't do that. You have a mission in life. You have somewhere to go. You have people to empower. You don't want to be a hypocrite. You don't want to have multiple people being here and speaking this and doing that. Hello there, what are you doing? When you do that for yourself, you're able to empower yourself. The worst thing to be is to be fake to yourself. So your health philosophy says, this is the way that I live my life according to these terms. This is what I want out of my life. So when my life actions do not match my life philosophy, then I know that something needs to be changed.